Dear friends, today now let us see the election results in Tamil Nadu. The top ranker is the DMK with 119 seats leading. Followed by ADMK 81 seats. Then Congress with INC, International Congress with 13 seats. BMK with 7 seats. BJP with 4 seats. And CPI 2, CPIM 2. Then MNM 1. So this is the results of Tamil Nadu elections 2021 at 2:15 p.m. today. Okay, sorry, 2:18 p.m. today, right? As updated by the Election Commission of India. 1 minute, let me update it. So as of 1 minute. As of 2:18 p.m. this is the status. Okay, DMK 119, 119, ADMK 81, INC International Congress 13, PMK Atali Makal Katchi 7, BJP 4, CPI 2, CPIM 2. Okay, then MNM 1. MNM 1, VCK 3. Okay, so this is the party-wise trends as per the official communication from the website of Election Commission of India, results.eci.gov.in. Okay, this is the status, present status. Most likely, since DMK has reached 118 on its own, it is in association with, or it has election alliance with the Indian National Congress, right, and other parties. So on its own itself, DMK has won the majority, full majority. Out of 234 seats, the number of seats recorded to 1 is 118. The DMK got 119. Plus its alliance, it will reach the full majority without fail. This is the latest trend. And this is the status known for 232 out of 234 constituencies. Okay, DMK 119, ADMK 81, BJP 4, Communist Party of India 2, Marxist 2, Makkal Needhi Mayyam INC 13, Makkal Needhi Mayyam 1, Atali Makal Katchi 7, Vidudalai Chiruthaikal Katchi 3. So total of 232 seats. Let us see the party-wise vote share. Okay, as received from the Election Commission of India. See here, DMK has got 36.95% vote share. ADMK has got 34.13% vote share. Others have got 13.81%. BMK has got 4.87%, almost 5%. Indian National Congress has got 3.9% vote share. Then the BJP has got 2.42% vote share. Okay. Then CPI has got 1.21% vote share. DMDK has got the least 0.42% vote share. That is only 31,750 votes. CPIM has got 0.62% vote share. BSP has got 0.25% vote share. Then IUML 0.55%. Nota 0.76%. That means almost 58,263 people has voted for Nota. Almost 0.8% of the total votes. Okay. So these are the list. ADMK 34.13%. AIMIM 0.01%. AITC 0%. BJP 2.42%, BSP 0.25%, CPI 1.2%, CPIM 0.62%, CPIML 0.01%, DMDK 0.42%, DMK 36.95%, which is the highest. DMK ranks the top, followed by ADMK. Okay. And third by others. Okay, so this is the party-wise vote share as per Election Commission of India till 2:28 PM today, 2nd May 2021. Thank you. Friends, let us check for other constituencies. Okay, other states. Okay, Assam, let us see. So in Assam, this is the BJP. Okay, BJP 58 seats it has scored out of 126, followed by INC 27 seats. Then UPPL 8 seats, AIUDF 12 seats, AGP 11 seats, and others, rest others. So in Assam, this is the party-wise trends and results as on 2:31 PM today. BJP 58 seats, leading. All these are leading. AGP 11. AIUDF 12, Bodoland People's Front 2, Communist Party of India Marxist 1, Independent 1, INC 27, United People's Party Liberals 8. Right. Status known for 120 out of 126 constituencies. So this is the party-wise vote share in Assam. So here the BJP has got 31.97% vote share, followed by Congress 29.71. Then others have got 15.1. AIUDF has got 7.85. EOPF has got 4.15%. AGP has got 8.36%. This is the status with regard to Assam as of now. Okay, let us see Kerala. Just a minute. Let us see Kerala. Okay, in Kerala, what is this? CPIM has got, is leading in 56 seats. Okay, followed by ANC in 25 seats and CPI in 16 seats, IUML 13 seats, IND 8 seats, KECM 5 seats, BJP 4 seats only. So Kerala is being dominated again by CPIM with 56 seats. So this is the party-wise trends and results according to the Election Commission of India. So 56 CPIM leading, then INC 25, CPI 16, BJP 4, Congress Secular 1, Independent 8, Indian National League 1, IUML 13, some Kerala Congress 1, Janata Dal Secular 2, Kerala Congress 2, Kerala Congress Jacob 1, Kerala Congress M 5, and others 1 NCP 2. So this is the status known for 140 out of 140 constituencies in Kerala. So in Kerala, CPIM is leading with 56 seats. Then let us go to Puducherry. So in Puducherry, All India NR Congress is leading with 5 seats and BJP 3 seats. INC 2 seats, IND 1 seat, DMK 1 seat. So in Puducherry, All India NR Congress is leading, right, along with BJP. So this is the party-wise trends and results in Puducherry. Okay, in Puducherry, many constituencies have been declared. Total of 4 constituencies have been declared. 2 won by All India NR Congress. Then the BJP party 1, DMK 1. Okay, and this NR Congress is leading in 3, BJP in 2, Independent in 1, and ANC in 2. Okay, this is the party-wise vote share. So this is AINR Congress 28.54%, then DMK 16.50%, others 14.29%, INC 21.45%, others 14.29%, BJP 14.16%, and Nota 1.42%. So this is the party-wise vote share as of 2:30 PM today in Puducherry. Now in West Bengal, EITC has got 202 leading in 202 seats. All India Trinamool Congress AITC leading in 202 seats. BJP 78 seats out of 292 seats. This is the party-wise trends and results in West Bengal. None of the constituencies have been declared won. So, All India Trinamool Congress AITC is leading in 202 seats, BJP 78, and Independent 2, and 1 each by AJSU Party, INC, and Rashtriya Secular Majlis Party in West Bengal. So this is the status known for 285 out of 292 constituencies is in West Bengal. Party-wise vote share. So Trinamool Congress has got 48.52% vote share, followed by BJP 37.45%. Then CPIM has got 4.50%. INC has got 2.84%. Others have got 4%. Nota 1.13%. So this is the party-wise vote share in West Bengal. So let us update ourselves. Case of Tamil Nadu. So this is DMK 119, ADMK 82, INC 13, PMK 6, BJP 4. So these are the trends in Tamil Nadu. Right. So party-wise trends. So it's already discussed. Okay. So most probably DMK is likely to form the government in Tamil Nadu. So thank you so much for watching.